All right, guys, so back, done all the Regency inspection, all that sort of stuff. Good news, bad news. Good news, it was a lot of fun driving it to the inspection. Bad news. G'day guys, Robbie Robster here from Robbie Robster's DIY Auto. Exciting video. Taking this Mini to hopefully get finally registered and on the road. We've got one inspection to do and we're going there now. It's actually the first time actually driving this car. Feels good. So yeah, we're taking it today to get roadworthy, and there's a hopefully, fingers crossed, that there's nothing wrong with anything we can find, and if that's the case, I can get it registered and on the road. So I got a temporary permit today to take it there. So I've got some good news with Consumer Business Services. They managed to get the correct information from the guy who had issues with the part problems from one of my previous episodes I mentioned, and so that's all been sorted after about 4 months of trying to get these details. So finally got them, and now I can actually hopefully finalize this build. You can hear the supercharger in this thing. Hopefully you guys can hear it. It's got a lot of power behind it, which is good. I'm actually going to put some clean fuel in it. So yeah, so we got it all sorted through, and thanks to the Consumer Business Services, which anybody can use in any scenario. With if you're having issues with a company like I have, they were trying their best to help you guys out, or help me out, and also work on both levels, so it's not just just being one-sided. And so the guy I brought the parts from finally gave me what I needed, and so we were got me what I needed. So I'm losing track because I'm having fun driving the car. Yeah, help me resolve the issue. But what I'm going to do is take this baby for a cruise. Maybe when I stop, I'll put the top down. Just pulled over the side of the road. Let's give this a go, hey? steering wheel straight, no shaking. Currently in 6th gear, cruising. Let's test out the cruise control. I don't even know how to activate it. Hang on, there's an on button. There we go. Currently on cruise control, sitting just above 90 kilometers an hour. Buttons increase. Pretty happy. No noises, no rattling. You can hear the exhaust. Exhaust is not loud, but sounds nice. The supercharger is whining. Temperature is good. Pressure is good. Petrol a little bit low, but enough to get us there. Down gearing to 5th. Now cruising at 80. So hopefully there's nothing wrong, so I can actually use this as a daily driver in the meantime. Exhaust sound. Little pops and crackles. Gears are really firm and go in place pretty nicely. I don't think there's much more to say except for you probably read the smile off my face. On my face, off my face. Be kind of weird. To a main road. So mini go-kart on steroids. Weird because I feel really close to the floor, to the ground. It's alright guys, I'll leave you there. And hopefully the next scene, which will pop up in a few seconds, will be good news. And hopefully a bigger smile on my face. Alright guys, stay tuned. We'll be back in a few mementos.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so back, done all the Regency inspection, all that sort of stuff. Good news, bad news. Good news, it was a lot of fun driving it to the inspection. Bad news, we've got another car to register. Woo! Got it registered, it's passed, and now it's fully on the road. So I'm going to take this for another spin. I thought I'll leave it there guys, and I'll do another video of a walkthrough of what I've done, a montage or something, but yeah, it's really exciting. It's fantastic. I already told the wife, the kids are already wanting to go for a drive in it, and yeah, so really excited. So anybody who knows me personally will now see me driving a Mini. Anybody who is watching the channel, you might see me driving around, who knows. Anyway guys, thanks for your support. This is #1 for the channel, which is fantastic. Now we just got to get the Mitsubishi on the road as well. And that's it guys. I'm Robbie Robster. Take it easy. Ciao for now. Peace.